Weather Service in Charleston, West Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Perry County, northern Jackson County, western Morgan County, northwestern Athens County, Vinton County, until 8 p.m. At 6:43 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 9 miles southwest of Lancaster to near Piketon to 6 miles east of Rome, moving northeast at 60 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour with gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Athens, Jackson, Wellston, Nelsonville, New Lexington, Gloucester, MacArthur, Somerset, Shawnee, Chester Hill, Lake Hope State Park, Perry State Forest, Crooksville, Chauncey, Thornville, Hampton, Junction City, New Straitsville, Corning, and Bucknell. The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Franklin County, Ohio, southeastern Delaware County, northern Licking County, until 7:30 p.m. At 6:44 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Westerville, moving northeast at 40 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour with gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Columbus, Newark, Westerville, Reynoldsburg, Gahanna, Grahamville, Pawhuskalaw, Johnstown, Sunbury, Utica, Minerva Park, Beechwood Trail, Easton, Summit Station, Granville South, Whitehall, New Albany, Jersey, Galena, and Alexandria. This includes I-71 in Ohio between mile markers 125 and 138. The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a tornado warning for southeastern France. A tornado warning remains in effect until 7:50.